In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Canva. Whether you're designing a social media post, a presentation, or any other graphic, flipping an image can be a useful tool to create a mirrored effect or simply adjust the composition of your work. So, let's dive right into it. First, make sure you are on your Canva designing page. You can open a new design or use an existing one where you want to apply this image editing technique. Once you're on your design page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and where the tools are located. It's always a good idea to have a little exploration around the platform if you're new to it. Next, you need to select the image you want to flip. Click on the image within your design to highlight it. When you do this, you'll notice a border appear around the image along with a few options in a toolbar at the top of the screen. This is Canva's way of letting you know that you've selected the image and you're now in editing mode for that particular element. With the image selected, look towards the top bar of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Flip. This is the magic button that allows you to flip your image in just a couple of clicks. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, you'll see two options appear: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Now, choose the flip direction that suits your design needs. If you select Flip Horizontal, the image will flip along the vertical axis, creating a mirror image from left to right. On the other hand, if you choose Flip Vertical, the image will flip along the horizontal axis, turning the image upside down. Think about the effect you want to achieve and select the appropriate option. And there you have it. You've successfully flipped your image in Canva. This simple yet effective tool can significantly enhance your design by allowing you to experiment with different compositions and perspectives. Remember, you can always undo the action if you want to revert to the original orientation by pressing the undo button at the top or using the keyboard shortcut, which is typically Ctrl plus ZZ on Windows or Command plus Z on Mac. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't hesitate to play around with other features in Canva to further explore your creative potential. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.